Today we talk about how can you get started with Mile on your Zoom app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first to get started with Mile. So you just go down here, click on more down here, just click on it. When you click here on more, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you click here on Mile here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on get started. Just click on get started. It's going to take you to this list. You click here on accept here. So then here can you sign out with your email or with your Microsoft or create Zoom mail here. Then it's going to create with you here or start with you here on your Zoom app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.